welcome back. So I'm glad you guys are back. If you guys haven't watched for my other clean with me in my refrigerator, I suggest you watch those videos too as well. If not, go ahead and just keep watching this one, and I'll link it down below or at the end of this video. So I'm just finally finishing up with the clean with me refrigerator, and then I'm just cleaning this to actually put this back inside. I know it's broken. I'm looking for a replacement for this. I don't really know where to find a replacement for the bottom shelf. My son accidentally, well, I don't know what he was doing, but I think he kicked it, and now it's really broken, and it was really sharp. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just cleaning and trying to clean up for the rest of the items, and putting everything away inside my refrigerator. If you have made it this far and watched it this far, I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're actually almost at the end of this video. This is the last part of my refrigerator clean with me, and right now I'm actually just pouring the juice and the milk inside these bottles. I decided not to use the little one, but I'm just putting the eggs inside. I had too many extras, so that's why I just put it on top of them. I'm so afraid that my eggs might break inside my fridge, which it has, and it's really dirty, so that's why I bought that. I probably need to get another one. And this is just the rest of the items or foods to actually put inside my fridge, and I'm super happy by the result and the ending. So now I can actually go shopping and know what I have and don't have, so I don't overspend, or maybe just don't have nothing inside my fridge. So happy for that. And there's the little guy. He loves the video. He loves to say hi to everyone. He's such the joy of my life, and very naughty at times, but yeah. So don't forget to click subscribe if you guys haven't already done it, and don't forget to click like if you guys do like this video. I didn't have like a lot of tips for this, but all I'm doing is, if you don't have anything to clean your fridge, you can always use just warm water and dish soap, and that's it. That's all the items you need. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again soon, and just keep on watching. Super happy with the results. Those are the vegetables on the top, and some vegetables on. So that is it. I'm done with my clean with me video for the refrigerator. I hope you guys do like it and enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you guys do, and I will see you in my next video. And don't forget to click subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any more contents. So after this, I will be launching a business pretty soon, so keep an eye out for that, and I hope to see you again soon.